if I actually tell you how much I paid. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey Malim, you good? Habibi, come to Dubai. Oh my god, you can see the nice skyscraper. So here is the bedroom. So guys, I already checked in before I made this video, so that is why everywhere is like, you know, a little bit rough. So everywhere is just a little bit rough. Okay, I have a wardrobe here. So like I said earlier, I already checked in, you know. Then later I was just like, oh, I think I need to make a content from this hotel room. So it's very cheap, like absolutely cheap for 2 nights. This is a cheap 3 stars hotel, you know. Oh my god, look at this beautiful art. So I got this hotel room for 2 nights for just 438 dirhams for 2 nights. And yes, 438 dirhams is equivalent to, I think, $120 for 2 nights. So like I said, 438 dirhams is like it's just like equivalent to $120. Yeah, $120. Yeah, that is pretty nice for this kind of area, you know. If you are looking for an area, a quiet area, yeah, to be precise. If you are looking for a quiet area in Dubai, so yeah, just come to Dubai Investment Park. You know, there are a lot of hotels around here. The name of this hotel is Premier Inn, Dubai Investment Park, and we have a lot of hotels here, like very cheap and affordable. So see you guys in my next video.